Welcome. If you want to log out from the Gmail on your ASUS Rog phone free, at first you have to go for the Gmail application, and next we have to tap right here on the right upper corner, and as you can see here we got the 2 accounts. So I would like to sing out from this account. So go for the manage accounts on this device, and let's pick the account that we want to remove and click here, confirm. And right now when we go back to our Gmail, you can see that there we got only 1 account. So that's how we can remove account from the Gmail on ASUS Rog phone free. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!